Today we're gonna show Brandy and Jason some houses around Laurel.
I want a house with a big screened-in front porch where I can take naps and read books and drink coffee in the mornings.
I moved in with 3 women. Never in the bathroom, never time to get in the bathroom.
Let's step over to the street so we can look at the Jones house. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's 1,800 square feet, and it's listed for $105,000. It's a Craftsman. It's got all the details of a beautiful Craftsman. Come on in. I'm gonna ring the doorbell here just to let everybody
Isn't that
know
cool?
we're coming.
It's a really big room.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, I love those
I
bookcases.
saw the bookcases, and I know you're an avid reader,
Yes,
so you need
yes.
lots of book storage, right?
Yeah.
The doors are all in great shape. The dining room is great. I think it's just paint, a light fixture, and it's good. But the kitchen is,
It looks very white and cold and kind of creepy.
This little nook, would you want it to be a breakfast nook?
I think I would.
Kind of a home office or a breakfast room?
Yeah, kind of a both.
And this panel molding, gorgeous right
Yes.
here. Original to the house.
I love that. This room is huge.
Yeah.
It's not exactly what I had in mind when I think of a master bath.
You
We
can
can't even
stand there.
stand in here at the same time.
Not that we would do that.
All right, let's get started. Main focus of work is in the kitchen. We have talked about a breakfast nook, a homeschool station,
I want a twofer.
homework station. Yeah.
The goal for me is to give them a very multi-purpose little corner of the kitchen. It's not just a breakfast room.
I want to build a desk that doubles as a table. I love this built-in, and I love that we're stripping it. But this is my favorite detail. So what I'm thinking is, in between the legs and the drawers, I do a skirt that looks like this. We got drawers on one side, tapered legs on the other side, and then this little detail here, the skirt. I'm gonna glue, finish nail it. It's gonna look sharp.
Are you feeling crafty?
Absolutely.
As always. Okay, I got these Luan panels. We're gonna wallpaper them. It's gonna be like little diamond stud earrings. A little bit of class. I don't have any on, you'll notice. We got this. Yeah. Ooh, got that glide hitting.
It might be a little, but they sharp.
But this is awesome. When Brandy and Jason come home tomorrow, I hope that they feel like we listened and we heard what was important to them, and we made sure that this house that was a dream for them is gonna be perfect for them in this new season of life when it's just the 2 of them without the kids. I hope it's everything they wanted.
Welcome to the Thornton house.
Oh my gosh, it's perfect. Thank you.
You're so welcome. The only thing that we really wanted to focus on was simplifying some of the color palette that was there
Yeah.
and adding in more white.
Yeah. Oh, that porch is absolutely everything.
You have a super cool ceiling fan.
Oh, I love that.
So it can actually be like an outdoor living room. You've got
Yes.
circulating air, but no bugs can get in. The outside is beautiful, but I really, really, really can't wait for you to see the inside.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Jason, it's perfect.
My plan was to make all the colors in the house the Brandy version of Craftsman style, but it still feels appropriate for this house, for the architecture, but most of all, it feels like you.
It does.
Look at that chair.
Ben built that for you.
This is the best chair ever.
It's a book reading chair.
This is the perfect book reading chair. I am in love with it.
We didn't do a lot in the dining room.
And all we really changed was paint and light fixture. But it's so gorgeous.
It just feels bigger and cozier. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is our kitchen. That wallpaper in there.
Okay, that wallpaper is by CFA Boise. He was one of the most famous textile designers of the 1920s.
It just makes this kitchen, that is beautiful.
And then in your breakfast room, you have
Look at that.
This is a desk / breakfast table.
That is amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness gracious. Is this
this
our
work?
room? Oh my gosh. Oh my
Yes.
gosh. This is amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is perfect. Oh my gosh. That is the coolest tile I've ever seen.
In the 1920s, people used a lot of linoleum tile that looked like this, that had patterns like this, and a
Huge closet.
Oh my goodness gracious. This is more than I could have ever hoped for.
And it's completely different from the way I painted it. That's a part of the story and how we got to where we are.
I just am dying to get in there and like put all of my things in the kitchen.
I just need to take a bath.
There you go.
So
It's all yours.
Yeah.